Hey y'all, it's this store for Deeply Rooted. I give you nothing but the best in lifestyle. I'm Sanjay. We're out at the cookout, Chilla Nathi to be exact. And there's arts, crafts, food, beverages. And I'm going to be checking it out. It's going to be a vibe. I came with my little mini-me. I don't know where she is. She's over there. I'm going to be talking to her later. She's so nervous to be on camera. But you know what? I'm going to break her nerves. In the meantime, subscribe to Deeply Rooted. Hit the notifications button. And join me as I show you around.
It's the modern man. We dress men for success, whether it's formal suits, ready-to-wear suits, and shoes. So we're all about dressing men for success without breaking the bank. So this is our first time at Chilla Nathi, and people have been loving our products, and we've managed to make a couple of things, and we're helping to make more, and we're definitely going to be joining them for the next one. So people can find us at Smart Exchange. We're at level 5 between Durban ICC and the Reserve Bank. And we're all about dressing men for success. So you can find us. Our website is themodernman.co.za.
So this is a new company, my partner and I, Edgar Mtungwa, that we've just launched today. So it's just gin on tap services. We basically bring the gin to your house. We bring the bar to wherever you want us, parties and that, and you just get the gin on tap. We've got the pink one that we're launching today, and your normal gin and tonic.
Think of I'm good to offer you confidence designs.
What do you confidence designs? Tell me more about that.
Do Confident Design a brand that caters for plus size women. That's how we unique from our Manima brands. So we invest with fabric and color, as you can see, store sets colorful and bright. And the reason why I see focus on my plus size women is that I myself young born and corner and toilet. So for a very long time, I given a challenge. So I decided, let me create a brand that would cater for abantu abafana njengami abathanda communities different but stylish, simple but elegant. So that's what we do. Confident Design is all about.
I know Chilla Nathi from Maritzburg, so I decided, wow, it's coming to Durban, let me just participate, and let me just raise the company for the first time.
Fantastic, and you're doing well. Thank you so much. I can see that you cannot wait to go back to cook, babe. But honey, you saw me by. Okay, and I loved it. Thank you so much for your time. I get tonga pelikashala babes, and the cookout experience was absolutely amazing. Chilla Nathi cookout experience to be exact. What a concept, Sibonga. Well done to you. And I can't wait for year number 3. We see Zile, Sakula, Babamnandi, Aikitas Gainzanga. Catch it on Deeply Rooted TV, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notifications button so that you can get all that lifestyle juice.